and welcome back to part 2. Thank you for sticking with me so far. I do hope you enjoyed part 1, and I am open to any questions in the comments. If I've not explained anything well enough, please ask. It's the first shield I've ever made, as I said, and it was really good to just be inspired by other people online. So you've seen up till now I have just started to brand out the lettering for my son's name. In this section you will see the epoxy resin, a little bit more difficult than I expected it to be, but these things happen. The stitching of the strap. I didn't actually get to record fitting the boss, sorry, nor did I record the fitting of the blacksmith's nails, bending them over and hammering them in, so I can't get everything. It was a case of just picking at it bit at a time when I go home from work, or the odd Thursday afternoon that I take off. Some Sundays, quite a few Sundays. But I think we've got there, and I really do hope you enjoy part 2. I will put as many links as I can at the bottom of the clothing I'm wearing, the tools I've used, this electronic lamp, which I'm sure some of you will have spotted. That's just a candle, but that's a nice gadget. We like gadgets. And anything else. So here we go. So the grip. Happy with the construction. It's yet to be drilled with the bolts and everything, but marked out where the bolts are going to go. Don't worry, all this will be sanded off. Now, a nice touch I wanted to do was put my son's name in runes along the grip, and to do that I thought I would go for branding, or whatever it's not pyrography, because I'm actually burning far deeper into the wood than a little pyrography kit. So obviously I've been experimenting, and old angle brackets. I've fabricated a couple of tools, got that to the length I kind of want it at, and you'll see it's bent, so I can actually go and get straighter lines than I have done on my practice ones. This is for the shorter crosses, not used yet obviously, but I also need a curve, so that means I need to fabricate one. So this is actually the bottom end of one of my ratchets, and I plan to heat that and curve it around there and see what happens. I'm no metalsmith, I'm no woodworker really, but yeah, watch this space, let's see what we get.